Modern threats have prompted a leap in the design and development of powerful defense mechanisms unlike anything that's ever been seen before. One of them is the Oerlikon Ahead airburst munition system, a system that launches ammunition loaded with a cloud of tungsten sub-projectiles that are able to neutralize even the smallest of targets. Rheinmetall Defense's mission is to provide friendly forces with the best possible protection, and their weapon has proven so effective that more and more countries are relying on its innovative mechanism to protect their most vulnerable fronts and transform weaknesses into strong points. As the company has stated, quote, "In an age where fresh security challenges can literally spring up overnight, being quick off the mark provides a vital edge, enabling a swift, flexible response to new threats." Modern warfare. Over the recent years, demands on short and very short-range air defenses have become ever more complex as air threats evolve in quality and expand in quantity. Hence the necessity for a heightened focus on unmanned aerial vehicles. Moreover, precision-guided munitions have become astonishingly smaller, faster, and more agile, calling for the creation of previously unthinkably sophisticated air defense systems that can offer absolute protection against modern perils. Forward operating bases are vulnerable primarily to rocket, artillery, and mortar attacks within military installations, but the threats also extend to civilian infrastructure in many unprotected parts of the world. As militants execute more effective attacks and rely on smaller but more precise projectiles, such weapons have become a favorite in the war against asymmetric threats. With close to no warning and often being launched from built-up areas, the new offensive tactics call for new defense solutions. Over 40 nations around the world count on the company's state-of-the-art air defense solutions for their ground forces. What's more, 10 countries, including 6 representatives for NATO, have procured the robust Oerlikon Ahead airburst technology system, an unparalleled mechanism able to take out even the smallest targets in terrestrial, naval, and vehicle armament applications. Thinking ahead. Advanced Hit Efficiency and Destruction, or AHED ammunition, has brought a new level of maturity to medium-caliber gun systems. The Oerlikon family includes the Sky Shield 35mm AHED air defense system, the Sky Ranger gun system, and the Millennium gun system. Joint expeditionary warfare forces in land and maritime conflict scenarios are being transformed and modernized to provide force protection against symmetric legacy threats and emerging asymmetric ones. It has been argued that only these reliable high-rate fire gun systems, equipped with the Oerlikon Ahead airburst technology, can provide the affordable means to defeat upcoming modern threats. The weapon's primary purpose is that of a mission abort kill, to render an attacking target incapable of completing its mission and do it within 1 second of the strike. The basis for such a mission is the vulnerability of a target. Depending on the damage level or utter destruction of the intelligence driver of a target or its structure, the attacker should no longer function. For instance, its trajectory can be deviated or its warhead detonated. This mechanism uses a 35mm shell that carries a payload of sub-projectiles. After a short burst, a dense cloud is deployed 10 to 40 meters in front of the target to increase the chances it hits. When engaging a target, the spin-stabilized sub-projectiles impact the heavy metal multiple times and penetrate its body, even at low impact angles. The Ahead Precision Programmable Time Fuse calculates when to deploy its payload to release the projectiles in front of the attacker. A short burst of ammunition then produces a dense cloud in the expected target's path, while the sub-projectiles penetrate and cause severe damage to the target, preventing it from achieving its mission. Moreover, its inborn capacity to alter the ejection time enables Ahead ammunition to effectively counter a wide array of threats in current and future battlefields, and collateral damage is kept to a minimum. Ammunition. The weapon's ammunition is a 2-in-1, given that it can be fired in an unfused mode, and therefore behave like superior frangible rounds upon impact, capable of penetrating and defeating challenging targets. The system consists of measurement and programming units, as well as control electronics and programmable Ahead ammunition. When fitted to any suitable cannon, it enhances performance when engaging fast and small aerial targets, providing a high accuracy probability. Each round comprises 152 tungsten sub-projectiles, and these munitions are deployed directly in front of an oncoming target. However, prior to muzzle exit, the measurement unit has already determined the velocity of any given Ahead round. Control electronics then calculate the ejection time based on this data and transmit the signal through the programming unit onto the time fuse in the shell. Optimum timing is imperative. as is the precise distance and velocity measurement for effective deployment. Afterward, ahead projectiles and their sub-ammunition charged with high kinetic energy are unable to destroy very small targets with high accuracy. Security challenges. The leading-edge technology offers a uniquely adjustable system for optimal application in diverse missions and when engaging different targets. Also, the density and number of sub-projectiles can be changed according to the desired outcome by simply adjusting gun burst length, rate of fire, and payload release point. And the number and mass can also be optimized to execute specific tasks. Notably, the Ahead system has the potential to grow by hosting more diverse payloads such as decoys.